What's up, guys? This is your boy Raffle Z34, and welcome to another banger, man. And today is a sad day for your boy, my boy Trey, the winner. If you guys remember, a while back, I did a turbo raffle on my old turbo kit on my Z that made it my first turbo kit to ever make 1,000 horsepower, wheel horsepower. I did a raffle and giveaway on it, and the gentleman that won it, he is here, man. He wanted to meet me or whatever. We just chop it up, whatever. So I told him, I was like, man, I'm gonna be coming out to 2K. So I will bring the kit, load it on the back of my trailer. So I brought the kit and I told him, like, man, you come pick it up, we'll talk, whatever, kick it. And get to say my last goodbyes to the kit, man. So that's what we're doing right now. So this is gonna be a short video because he got to get going. I also got to get going. But yeah, man, so he does trucking as well, man. So he took the time out, came over here to the crib, and come pick this thing up from me. But yeah, with that being said, man, as you guys can see, that's one of the pipes right here. As you guys can see, man, this thing is, the girth is crazy, pause. But it's crazy, bro. Like, this kit is a one-on-one kit. Nobody else has a kit like this. Nobody else. And this thing flows crazy. So I was telling him, since he's stock motor right now, to be careful because that thing is gonna try to make all the power off rip. So he's definitely gonna have to dial it down. And then as you guys can see, the intercooler right here, show the top. Look how like big that thing is.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Like, it's huge, bro. Like, that's a huge intercooler, right? So it's definitely gonna be breathing good. And then you got all your other piping and stuff like that. But yeah, man, so what you think, bro? What's your honest opinion?
TS2K next year.
Hey, yes, sir. So the tuner he's actually going with, I know the guy. I didn't know that's who he had chose, but I know the guy. So I'm gonna hit him up. He's a good guy. The tuner he chose is a good guy. So, you know, good choice. But I'm gonna hit him up and kind of give him the details and the rundown of the kit. Make sure they protect everything and make sure, you know, he don't try to push his car too hard, because that kit is going to make power, bro. Yeah, it's going to make power. It's proven, it's tested. All the races I've done over the past, what do you think, Trey, like 3 years, 2 years, has been on that kit. Track hogs. Man, and all of them are highly modified, like motorcycles, 1,000cc bikes. What? That 1,000 horsepower CTSV. The Porsche. All them cars has been on that kit. So the proof is in the pudding that kit works, man. So he's definitely gonna have a monster on his hands. But like I said, it's sad to see it go. But at the same time, deal's a deal, man. And I made a deal that I was gonna do a raffle on it to help somebody else out. My guy won it. Even though I ain't never lucky. I never won a raffle in my life. But my guy won it, man. And hey, man, now he's getting blessed with this kit. And now he's about to be out here boosted, putting in work. And like I said, I told him one thing: be careful and to take care of my baby. And he promised me he was gonna do that. So that's all I asked for, man. But yeah, with all that being said, I'll have him send me a picture of his G. The car that he's gonna put this kit on. I'll post it somewhere on the screen right now. And then, yeah, just y'all stay tuned, man. I'll plug his info. Y'all look forward to him being boosted, man, and go check him out and stuff like that and show support and see how this journey goes for him, man, because I know how it went with me. So, yeah, man, yeah. With all that being said, like I said it was going to be a short video. It is. And, yeah, man. But other than that, thank you, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, go show my boy support. Put W in the chat. And see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.